Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great gift that's actually four gifts in one for under $6. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take this cute little, it says Let It Snow, and I'm going to just take the top off of it, if I can, and put in some candies inside. So all of these are from the dollar store, so it's very inexpensive. Then I'm just going to put this on top, and I've made rather than having it closed, I have the sip side open. So then what I'm going to do, is put this aside and take my scarf and just find the center, which is about here, and just spread it out. Make sure we have the right side, there we go. So now I'm just going to put the cup in the middle of the scarf, bring this up here, and we're just going to tie it. So now you've got your candy, your scarf, and we'll just bring everything around and just kind of tie this off on the top here, the little bow. So now you can see we have a cute, it's all covered, and we have a cute little bow on top. Then I'm going to take my little slot, which is right there, and I'm going to put in, so again you can see we have this cute little, and then now we have this adorable little ornament, and I'm just going to take a zot, which will come off, and I'm going to just put that right on the bottom of him, and we're going to sit him in front, and so now you can see he stays. So that's our cute little guy. So now you have this adorable little gift wrapped cup with a scarf and candies and our ornament snowman. So what a great gift that makes, all for under $6 and super simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.